Action. Hey, what's up? Hey, thanks for checking out this video. What I'm going to do really quick is kind of give you a little more insight in terms of our journey to six figures on the internet. We've been able to do that multiple times over the years, and it's all because of a lot of the things that we went through. A lot of people see people that have had success and don't think that they came from they don't think that they started somewhere. So what I'm going to do in this video is give you a little insight in terms of how we got started. I actually got started marketing online in 1998. I joined my first MLM company, didn't know what I was doing, screwed everything up. One thing I will say, I was ignorance on fire. I was very coachable. I wasn't afraid of just trying things. You know, I was just always just trying to educate myself. When I got into this world of marketing, man, I just wanted to know everything. I was just amazed how people could make money from their own efforts working from home or what have you. But it was 98, this was before the age of Facebook and YouTube and all that stuff. So we did that business for a few years, didn't make any money, probably made about 300 bucks over 2 years, I guess you could say. So that led me, I guess around 2000, the age of the new millennium, right? I actually started my second MLM business. Made a little bit more money in this program because I learned some things from the other business, and so my skills were getting better, you know. So, but with that said, still never could get to that full-time income consistently, and so we did that business for I guess about 5 years. But I learned so much, man. I mean, I learned a lot. Really helped me to become a better presenter, better marketer, just a better person overall in terms of marketing. You know, in network marketing or in some type of business, I just became better at it. So in 2005, we really started doing or experimenting with a few different types of online type of offers, stuff like that. And it was very interesting. We're starting to see some opportunities in terms of marketing online. Again, we didn't know what we were doing, so of course we didn't really make any major money at all. In some cases, didn't make any money, period, right? So, but again, I knew even back then that the wave of the future was definitely going to be marketing online. And so I was definitely trying to prepare for it. I was never a good traditional marketer. I'm not the guy that's going to go out to Walmart and try to get a lot of names and numbers, go to the mall, talking to people in the checkout line. That is definitely not my deal. You know, definitely wanted to find something that would be better for me to really get the type of results that I wanted. So that kind of led me to I think around 2006, 2009. Between those years, because we were doing things online, you know, 2005 all the way up, I think for about a year or two, we didn't really have any major results. So we kind of just, you know, out of frustration, just kind of gave up. So between 2006, 2009, wasn't really doing any business. We were just focusing on working, going to work, you know, going to the movies on the weekend, you know, raising our kids, just doing those type of things. And so we kind of gave up there for a second. But I always had that itch to do some, you know, do some marketing, right? So 2010 comes around and we try some more different types of online offers, affiliate stuff, all kinds of internet stuff was starting to kind of come up because Facebook was out. YouTube was definitely coming into its own. And so we wanted to try some different things. Again, no major results, nothing to write home about, no major income. Made a little money here, maybe $25 this month, maybe 50 bucks that month, you know, but never anything consistent at all, right? So, but again, out of frustration, and I almost threw in the towel because I'm like, I don't know what's going on. I've been doing this stuff for years, and I don't know why I can't get to that full-time benchmark in terms of income. And I don't know what's going on. Maybe it's me. Maybe I'm not doing the right things because I feel like I got the right mindset. I got a lot of knowledge about a lot of marketing and how to talk to people and all that. But why am I not making that consistent income? So that kind of led me to doing more research in terms of how to generate leads, how to build more attraction online, how to really build an empire on the internet. Because I kept seeing a lot of people doing it. So I'm like, how are they doing these things? So I came across, finally found some kind of resource that I was very impressed with. This system basically saved our lives, basically changed the game for us, really opened my eyes on all the things that I was doing wrong because I was screwing it all up, right? I thought I was doing the right things, but I was doing it all wrong. So they told me exactly what to do, how to do it, when to do it, you know, and really how to get the best results out of all of it. That's really what we came across. This was 2011 when we came across this system, you know, and I was pretty impressed with it. We started implementing. You know what was funny? Almost a year to the day after we came across this training system that had all the resources, tools, education, understanding, insight, community, everything that you would need as a person that's saying, hey, I want to make money online. How can I do that? This is the community that you wanted to be a part of. So almost 365 days later, after learning a lot and then start applying what they taught me, we quit our jobs. I quit my job, my wife quit her job, and we've been self-employed since 2012. 2011, we came across this thing. 2012, we were starting to generate lead sales. We quit our jobs, and guess what? It hasn't been that bad since. It's just been scaling up more and more and more every single year. So what you need to do, you should see a button, a link or something on this video, right? Or, you know, something around this video, a link, a button or whatever, a page or something. Click on that. It's going to take you to a 6-minute video where you're going to see the details of how this all works. This exact system that I've been using since 2011 that allowed us to quit our jobs, that gave us the skills, the tools, the resources, the understanding, the insight, and everything that we needed to really crush it online. Now we can crush any business. It doesn't matter what business that we're in. We can scale it up because we know the formula. We got everything in place. We know how to do it, but it's all because of this training platform, this community that we connected ourselves to that made all the difference in the world. So click on the button, the link, wherever it's at. It's going to take you to a 6-minute video. Watch that entire video and then get started. Right? Just get started. Take the trial so you can see all these different trainings. At least get you some training, get you some free training, you know, get you some training, right? Get you some training that you can check out, that you can actually use in your business this week, right? Today, actually. Hey guys, thanks for checking us out, and I'll see you inside the system. Peace out.